Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tata Consumer Product. Our analyst maintains buy on Tata Consumer Product with revised price target of Rs 1,350. Tata Consumer is set to acquire Capital Foods and Organic India, which fit well within key growth platforms, including premiumization and value accretion in the portfolio. There is significant potential to leverage Tata Consumer's strong distribution network, global presence and increasing scale with scope for operating efficiencies to drive profitability. Acquisition would be done at combined enterprise value of Rs 7,000 crore and funded through a mix of internal and accruals debt equity. It will be earnings accretive in FY26 in mid-single digit based on calculations. Acquisition will add strong value to portfolio and earnings in the medium to long run. Stock trades at 58 times FY25 and 52 times FY26 estimated EPS. Next, we have an update on Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bank of India with a price target of Rs 135. Bank reported business update for Q3 of FY24, wherein loan growth was strong at 4% quarter-on-quarter, driven by domestic loan growth. Deposit growth remained muted given higher excess liquidity. We expect bank to report strong numbers in Q3, driving ROI closer to 1%, which is likely to sustain in the near to medium term. Valuation are expected to inch higher as the return ratio profiles improve in the coming quarter on account of healthy loan growth, margins, and lower credit cost. The bank balance sheet has further strengthened after the recent capital raise. Capital ratios are healthy, with CET1 capital at 13.8%, post-capital raise versus minimum requirement of 8%. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.8 times its FY25 and 0.7 times FY26 estimated adjusted book value. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.